Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 16. Today is cleanup day and we also have, oh, you okay? Girl, we also have my cousin Javian's birthday today. No, Mia, please. But right now I am trying to purge because as you can see, we have toys and toys and toys. Toys are coming. Mia, no. Don't throw them, please. Let's put them in this box. As you can see, we have toys everywhere and Mia got a bunch of stuff for her birthday. So right now, I'm purging through all of her, all the boxes and all the bins and making room for everything new that's coming. And of course, we always have to purge for Christmas. Donate what she's no longer playing with. Throw out what's not good anymore. So this is her Lego box right now. I'm throwing out all of these plastic balls because she used to have a ball pit, but it broke. We broke it. Thanks to Desiree and Milani. So this is just gonna be Legos. And all these little, tiny little plastic balls from Desiree's bounce off game ended up in here. So she's cleaning that. This is strictly Legos. I'm probably gonna label it. And Mia's just playing with everything that I'm trying to organize.
Can I do your hair? Yeah. What's this?
Hey Mia, do you like your new makeup vanity? That brush is not gonna comb her hair.
I know. It doesn't even comb mine, so like it's a toy. So. But put this on your face, Mia. Here, put them on your face. Oh. Put them on your face.
That's so cute.
Wait, how does this pop out?
What?
Is this supposed to pop out?
Yeah, you just go like this.
See?
Elmo's here. Say hi to Elmo. Say hi, Elmo. Hi.
Look terrified.
Yeah. Mia's a little scared. We're gonna stay at a distance.
Hi, Mama. You see me? Elmo. You see me? You see
It's
Mama?
okay. It's okay.
He doesn't do anything.
Breaking cotton candy.
Are you supposed to like chop it off with something?
We don't know what we're doing.
It's doing it though.
We're not good at it. Next.
I'll go with that.
Those things are huge.
That one?
Ooh, it's sticky. Look, you go like this.
You don't want any more?
Yummy.
I know, it's a bit too sugary.
Sticky. Look, like a lollipop. Take it.
They want it. Let's go wash your hands first. Come on, this way, this way.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Javian. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle.
Back up, back up.
Blow, blow, like this. Like that. Blow, blow. Blow, blow. Blow, 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 blow. Yeah.
Yay! Mmm. You don't like the ring? Where'd it go? No ring for you? No ring? Okay, mommy will keep the ring. Go ahead, eat your cupcake and then I'll give you the ring. Now you want it? Okay. Yummy. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me help you. This is probably what hurts most as a parent, is getting rid of all the clothes that you purchase. all the hard-earned money, but at least I donate them to a couple friends or people that I know. Most of this stuff goes to people that I know, little girls who are younger than Mia, but everything here and everything here is either 24 months or 2T. So I had to get rid of it because Mia's in 3T and she's already like almost not hitting 3T. Like some 3T fits her still comfortably, but in another 2 months she won't even be 3T anymore. So to be safe, I'm purchasing some things 3T if I know she's gonna wear it soon. If not, I'm buying everything 4T already. My child is growing. Oh my god. It gives me a headache. But anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I am so, you can probably see it in my eyes, like this is not the Jennese that you guys saw yesterday. This is exhaustion after party, a whole birthday week for Mia, and a party and another party and a bunch of traveling, and it's just crazy. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. My Christmas entries for my giveaway, I noticed not a lot of people responded to the other one, and it's probably because I posted it on Sunday, which is today. It was posted today, but my insights weren't like as much as they normally are during the week, if you get what I'm saying. So if you want an entry for the Christmas giveaway, go ahead and go back to Vlogmas Day 15, which is Mia's birthday video, and do the question under that video. Anyways, I'm gonna go wrap this up and get Mia ready. My voice is leaving. Get Mia ready for bed, and good night. Subscribe, like, comment on yesterday's video, Mia's birthday video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we actually have my mom's, she's doing like a, well, her job is doing like a bring your kid to work day, but I'm also going and so is Mia, and they're doing like a cookie thing, like bake your own, not baking, make your own cookies and decorate your cookies. It's like a kid's holiday party, so we're gonna go to that, so that should be fun. It's Monday, start of a new week, new motivation, new goals, new week. Let's do this. We're almost to Christmas. We gotta keep going. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.